Hi guys, Retro Django here, welcome back to my channel. Well, a few days ago I looked around my stash of PC stuff and I found a couple of motherboards. As you can see, one of them was this one with a socket 7 and it's called I Will P55 TV Lite 512K. Maybe 512 kilobytes of cache RAM. So I found this card and actually also this one over here. Another socket 7. I love these socket 7 cards. They're, for me, it's just the best for DOS gaming. And I want to build a DOS PC. So I made an ad asking about socket 7 CPUs. I wanted to buy one. And I got a call from a guy called Lars. I have bought some other stuff from Lars before. I have visited the guy a couple of times. He's also here from Denmark, he lives in Copenhagen. And Lars just called me, a really nice guy. He called me and he said, he saw that I was looking for some CPUs. And he said I could just come by and pick up this computer, a donation, with a socket 7 CPU. I could just come and pick it up. I mean, I'm just so thankful because, for the last 6 months or so, I know the big YouTube channels, they're getting amazing donations every day by mail and all that, but I've started getting so many donations that, and I love all this retro stuff, but I'm getting so many donations from you guys that I started saying thank you, but no thank you. I have no more room for them, but I'm just so thankful. Thank you guys, and I'm really happy with the way you guys treat me. It's great. My passion about having all this old stuff on YouTube. I mean, I often get mails from people with pictures with some odd PC designs and all that. They're just saying, dude, just check this one. I don't know if it works. It's 20 years old. Have it on YouTube. But I'm just so thankful. So thank you guys. But Lars just said, tack ska du ha, Lars. Lars, he just said that I could come and pick this one up. And we talked a bit on the phone. I mean, we have established a friendship. I have visited him a couple of times and all that, and we also talk out when we don't want to deal. We also talk online and all that. So, and I said that I had motherboard. I was looking for a CPU. Then he said, "Dude, just come by and you can have a CPU instead." So I visited Lars, and I know he is all into Neo Geo games. So I asked about if he was interested because I have a bunch of them, and he said he wants this title, and he got that from me. And when I visited him now, Lars has a nice retro collection. He also has so much passion for all this retro stuff, PC, Amigas, and Commodore 64s. And yesterday I visited him. He also has some Macintosh computers, but I have no history with them. I have no knowledge. I don't know how to review them, but maybe later I'm gonna get some Macintosh computers from him. I looked at 3 of them yesterday, and one of them had an 020 CPU, and the other one had 030. So it was just, like Amiga-like stuff. So I don't know, maybe someday. So I got this one donated by Lars. I got this socket 7 Intel Pentium 166 MHz CPU donated by him. a really nice one. And then I got this one also donated. This one says Intel Pentium 166 megahertz MMX. I remember when MMX came, it was yeah, everywhere. So again, thank you, Lars. Thank you for the donation. But it didn't stop there. He also had this Amiga 600, a part of an Amiga 600. You can see this is the top cover here. And the bottom and a motherboard. No disk drive, no nothing, but still, what a nice donation. An Amiga 600, guys. I will not use it as a part computer. I will find a disk drive, I will make it complete, and if it doesn't work, I will repair it. I don't know. But he said that RF TV modulator was unsoldered, but that's okay because we don't use them today. But this one is a problem. As you can see, the power connection is also unsoldered. So yeah, I hope I can find something and solder that one in and yeah, make this a complete Amiga again. But we're not going to talk about Amigas today because yeah, I got some stuff donated, but after that, and I'm so thankful, thank you again, Lars, but after the donation, I asked him if he had some retro computers he wanted to sell. Now he has a nice collection, but he really don't want to sell anything. Just like any other retro collectors, he does not want to sell at all. And I totally understand him. But we went through some stuff. We didn't have that much time, but it was like, let's just give this one power. Does it work? Yeah. Do we want to keep it? Do we want to sell it? And we did this really, really fast speed run, and we 2 seconds, guys. We did this speed run. So I ended up buying I think it was about 6 or 8 computers from him, other than the donation. So I was with Lars maybe 2 hours, and I think it was 8 computers. I'm not sure, guys. I got these home. This one is again a socket 7. Don't know the rest of it, but I bought this one. Look at this, guys. Yeah, don't mind the condition because I'm gonna clean this one. One of these, I think it was, yeah, this one with the PSU. I don't remember if one of them we gave it power and it booted up. No hard drives, no nothing inside, so I don't know what's inside them. But one of them booted up, the other one we didn't test. And also it says that they have been tested back in 2008, where yeah, one of them worked as it should. But I really like this. I really like this slimline desktop cabinet, or what's it called, guys? I mean, let's just turn the camera just a bit here. This one has got a feature that I haven't seen before. Yeah, if we just look at the front here, as you can see, it's got a display, and I love that. My first PC had 486 DX4 100 megahertz. That one also had a display, and I love that green display. So this is awesome. We got this reset button. We got this turbo button. That's nice for DOS gaming. If one of your games are running too fast, then you can use the turbo button to slow down your computer. Really nice. As you can see, disk drive, optical drives. But look at this. I have never seen this before. If you look at this one on the left side, down there is a little round piece of plastic. And here, that piece of plastic is missing. And that's actually because, look at this. Oh, my CPUs. if you just turn it around, we have a cable going from the front and here to the back, and it connects to the keyboard connection on the back side. So this one, we got a graphic card here hanging loose. So this one has been checked. So from that connection, you take the keyboard connection to the front side here. So, and I really, it's new. I have never seen that. So you could just plug in the keyboard here and have it on the front. I don't know. It was fun. I like the slim design. They don't look that good, but I think with the combination of both of them, I hope that I can make one nice looking, all cleaned, all that, I don't know what this black residue is, but it's so sticky, it's like glue, and it, as you can see, I mean, they're not in the best condition, I know, but still they're retro and they just fit my YouTube channel so well. I love this stuff. Again, usability, I don't know, a couple of days ago I uploaded a video with an IBM DX4 50 megahertz, unusable for me, too slow, but I don't know what this one contains, so it will be fun to try. So I will disassemble everything, take off the motherboard, clean the cabinets, and I hope I'm gonna make one fully working computer out of two. And if it's powerful enough for Doom, then Doom 2, then it will be on my collection, guys, because I love this design. So let's just give it a go and disassemble everything. All right. I just disassembled the motherboard, so let's take a quick look at it and see what it contains. As I can see, no, I'm no expert, take it easy guys, but as I can see, we got 3 ISO slots, AT power there. The first thing I'm looking for when I get one of these old motherboards is actually Vata battery. And this one has got the Dallas battery thingy here. And I'm not familiar with them, but if you look around, there are no battery juice, so that's nice. So that's that really made me happy that we had no battery issues. So 3 ISA, as I can see, 2 RAM blocks here can be upgraded. And we have some different jumper settings for RAM here, so that means that it doesn't just auto detect RAM. We got speaker here, we got the front connections over here, we got something missing here, maybe it's a math processor or FPU or something like that, more cache RAM, I don't know, but something upgradable. Here we got the AMD logo, and it says 286. Well, this one can't play Doom, guys. Oh, 286, 16 megahertz. This is the first time I'm touching a 286 computer. Never seen them before, have no history with them. I don't even know which games you can run with this system. It's too old for me, but I don't care, it's all right. I want to document it and I want to have this model on YouTube. I love that stuff. So let's just take a look. And here we have a chip from Acer. Here it says 286A14. Here, keyboard BIOS Plus from 1988. Oh man, this is some old stuff, guys. 286A revision 2.1. A little chip from Acer again. Okay, so one of these booted up. The other one has not been checked. So let's connect them both and see what's gonna happen. All right, it looks a bit chaos-like right now, but it's pretty simple, guys. As you can see, the motherboard is down there. I have connected the disk drive, connected the AT PSU. As you know, it's got two plugs, and in the middle they need to have the both black cables in the middle. So that's the only way you are gonna connect the AT power supply. And over here to the left side, it had this daughter board, as you can see on the ISA slot. And from there, you have these two ISA slots that go horizontally, so it matches the cabinet. So I just pulled this one off, and I put in a ISA graphic card directly down to the motherboard. And I truly don't remember which one we checked. One of them works, the other one is just unknown. So let's just give this one power and see what's gonna happen. It's got two RAM sticks down there, and yeah, let's see what's gonna happen. I'm gonna give it some power now. And we have no noise. No. Okay, it works. And the fan, it's just, we have 1 megabytes of RAM, and it's a 286. Oh, I love this fan. I mean, it's perfect. It's got a disk inside. Yeah, the battery is too low. Run setup. Yes, we will do that. And see what's inside. We can exit for boot, run setup, or run diagnostics. Let's try setup first and see what's gonna happen. CMOS setup 1985 to 1990, and it thinks it's 1980 now. And the disk drive, oh, plus, how do I change? Oh, page down. 140, I think it's a 144, I don't know. I have no knowledge of PCs back then. Hard disk, it has got an IDE. Can you see it on the camera? Yes, you can. As you can see here, we got the controller for the disk drive and the controller for the IDE, so it is possible to put in a normal IDE hard disk. That's nice. So hard disk not installed, hard disk D not installed, primary display, monochrome, color, VGA, yes. Keyboard, well, that one's installed. Turbo speed, yes. Okay, that was it. And escape, and we're gonna save. Enter. It's nice. It boots up. It's got 1 mix of RAM, and it runs at 16 megahertz. Yeah, don't really know what games to play, guys. I mean, the oldest DOS game that I play is Civilization 1, and actually I played that on Amiga, so I don't. Girl. Exit for boot. 286 VGA from 1990. Look at base memory 640 kilobytes, extended memory 384 kilobytes. That's sweet. Yeah, I don't have no software for a 286, guys. But I'm happy this one works. So let's just go ahead and plug in the other one over here. And as you can see, this one's front, it's much more brighter and much more nice looking. So I will definitely use this one. Let's run diagnostics. And diagnostics. Oh, there we go. We got something. Floppy drive speed. All right, keyboard, video, different video tests. Oh, if we had a hard disk connected, that we could test that one too. That's a nice. It's got a diagnostics built in the BIOS ROM. Tuesday, January 1st, 1980. That's nice, guys. Yeah, we're doing a video test with 16 colors, or what the standard was back then. It's nice. This line is blinking. That's nice, man. All right, let's go ahead and take the next one. I know this is really fun to watch, but let's go ahead and take the other one. So this one is the other one. As you can see, it's called Winner. W286 Winner. We're gonna take a look at this one now. I'm gonna power this one on. I put in the graphic card. We know that one works. So let's check out the display. Let's check out the front connection. Let's check out the reset switch turbo. Power 80 disk drive. I just installed this one and the CD-ROM drive just for the aesthetics, you know, just for seeing how nice this cabinet looks. Not connected, no nothing. Let's look at the side here. As you can see, this one is for the keyboard. Over here we got this one, something that goes in here in the front. Not connected, just cut off. Don't know what that is. The display, as I can see, it's got so many jumpers and settings in the back. That's nice. Just one thing that I find odd. As you can see, I have two of these, and this daughter board, this is the other one. This one has got 3 fully ISA slots, but this one has 2 ISA and one at the top that has this last part missing. That's odd. Yeah. And that one is actually for expansion because this one, I can show it on the other side so you can see. Well, the graphic card works. We don't know what which graphic card it is. The chip says UMC ISA graphic card. Don't know nothing about it, but this one is fully populated. So the other one has 2 of them, and that was 1 megabytes of RAM. So this one is probably 2 megabytes. And the AMD chip in there, again, 286 16S from 1982. Okay, let's look at the back side here. As you can see, this one has 2 of them on the back, and it's got printer parallel game port here, COM port, and as you can see, German flag colors, and we have the keyboard connection on the back side. We have these 2 open for better air circulation. The PSU. And the PSU is actually dated, it has passed back in April of 1994. Again, this one is not connected, I just put it in just for the looks. And it's 200 watts Morex power supply unit. So yeah, let's give this power and see if it blows up. This connection really reminds me of the Amiga 2000. I don't know. I just like this. I don't know why. Maybe it's because I'm a retro guy. I don't know. I think it's fun. So yeah, the keyboard is connected at the front here. So let's give it some power and see what's gonna happen. Turbo. Come on. The turbo switch is on. Oh yes. Okay, this one has got 2 megs of memory. That's nice. Oh, check the disk drive. Yeah, and this one only had 1 meg of RAM, as you can see, not fully populated. I literally have no software that could run with 1 megabytes of RAM. I don't know what to check with. So yeah, again, run setup. Or just exit for boot. Again, 286. I have actually have a DOS 6.22. But nothing happens, guys. It doesn't even read. That's odd. Let's enter BIOS and see what's gonna happen in there. I think it's the same version, but oh, turbo. I don't know if you could. Yeah. Let me check the reset button here. Yeah. Oh. The display doesn't work, guys. That's a shame. Damn, that could be the coolest part, having 16 megahertz written in the front here. But it's okay. This is not a keeper. It's an awesome piece of history from back then. I love that part. I bought it. I want to have it on my YouTube channel, but I'm never going to use this one. So yeah, it could be fun, you know. So let's run BIOS and see what's going to happen. Again, 1980. Oh, maybe. Oh. Did they run with 1.2? Oh, 5.5. Oh, look at the memory over here. Nice. Okay, I just put I put it on 1.44 megs, the disk drive. So let's see if that works. Again, 2 megs of RAM. That's nice. It tried to read something. Exit for boot. Come on. No, the disk drive is dead, or it needs cleaning. I don't know, guys. Let's just put on the top cover. Guys, it's not easy to see, but if you look at the red and black wire, it's cut off here, and it's also cut off on the other one. So that's maybe the power cable for the display that has been cut off on both of them. I have no idea why, but I think that's why that we don't have no display action. But again, it's just so cool having those digits on, but yeah, don't know, it's cut off. And there we go, guys. One nice looking old 286 DOS computer, or what they used back then, I don't know. But I mean, the design, trust me, if both motherboards were dead, if they were dead, then I'm pretty sure I would just put in a Raspberry Pi, and I don't know, you know what you can put inside them, or I would put one of my Socket 7 motherboards and make this dream setup. I don't know, I love towers, no doubt about it, but these desktops, I love them. And usually the desktops has this height, you know, that's the standard. But this little slim, oh, I love the design. But with working boards, I have so much respect for this old stuff that I could never ever dream of just, you know, throw them out and put in something else. So these must go out to another guy that collects or uses or knows how to use a 486 with 2 megabytes of RAM. And this is the other one. Again, 286 winner. Oh, why is... Oh, it's just... Yeah. Oh, and this one is closed. Have to take that one out if you want to use power. This is a holder for a speaker. So this motherboard was the first one we tested. It worked fine. Nice. And this is the other one. I mean, fully respect. Still, after so many years, guys, they just work. It's just amazing. All right, guys, that's my review of this Winner 286 computer. And now it's documented. Now it's on YouTube. And now I am happy. So I wish you a happy and a great day. Have a nice one, guys. Bye. Lars, dear friend, this little part is only for you. A shout out for you. Thank you for this donation. Thank you for these CPUs. They're not easy to find today, and you calling me, just saying come and pick them up, really made me so happy. So I wanna thank you again. I hope they works. If they do, you will hear from me. But being with you for 2 hours and looking all this retro computing through yesterday, it was so fun. But I must say, the best part from me was actually not the donation. It was not all the computers. It was not all the computer talk and testing and all that. The best part for me yesterday was when you said that you had huge respect for my YouTube channel. That really, really made me so happy. Thank you for saying that. Thank you for watching, and yeah, have a nice day, friend. Bye.